Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching and I'll teach you how. Today we're going to start by using the Scotch tape again and putting that on the corners of our eyes, and I follow the bottom lash line like this. And I already have foundation on and mascara. Obviously my eyebrows are done. So I'm just going to do my eyeshadow. Now that we have the tape, we're going to go in with LA Colors Matte Metallic, and it's one of the palettes. And we are going to take this brown color right here and put that all over the outside crease. Now that we have that all set, we are going to go in next with this navy blue color, and we're going to put that on the outside crease, just over here. So now that we have that all blended out, this is what it looks like so far. And next we're going to take, I'm going to use probably this brush. Actually, no, let's see. I'm going to use this brush actually. And we're going to use this lighter blue color right here all over our lid. Now that we have that all blended out, I'm going to go put on my false eyelashes and I'll be right back. So I ended up doing some eyeliner because it didn't look right, but this is the final look. And I think this is definitely really good for nighttime. It is really easy to do if you can blend well. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe.